Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Hub Blox Fruit. To begin, you will need to have a compatible executor program already installed on your computer or mobile device. Once your executor is ready, the next crucial step is to acquire the Zen Hub script itself, always from a reliable and secure source. After obtaining the script, simply paste its code into the executor's designated input field. Finally, attach your executor to the Blox Fruit game process, and you are all set to proceed. Once Zen Hub is active, you will typically see its interface appear as an overlay directly within your Blox Fruit game window. This user-friendly design allows for seamless interaction without leaving the game. You can navigate through different categories using the intuitive menu system, often located on one side of the screen. Most features can be activated or deactivated with a single click on a toggle switch, and fine-tuning specific settings is usually done with easy-to-use sliders or numerical input boxes, offering precise control. Zen Hub often provides a wide array of functions designed to enhance your Blox Fruit experience. Many users utilize its automation features to streamline repetitive tasks, such as farming for fruits or completing quests, saving valuable time. You might also find movement enhancements, like increased speed or instant teleportation to specific locations, making exploration much faster. Furthermore, combat advantages, such as improved attack ranges or damage boosts, are frequently available, alongside unique customization options for your in-game character. To ensure the best experience with Zen Hub, it is highly recommended to always keep both your executor and the script itself updated to their latest versions. This helps maintain stability and compatibility with game updates. Before activating any features, take a moment to carefully review their settings to avoid unintended effects. When you are first exploring, try enabling just one or two features at a time to understand their individual impact. Finally, do not hesitate to experiment with different configurations to discover what works best for your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.